Me after London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6-1 on the money, 9-2. You just say a word and I run through.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's ELLIENA Rose Anne here, and today I am going to do a video on this glowatine look. Glow in quarantine, if you guys didn't figure that out. I am also going to try some TikTok hack that I searched for, and basically it's kind of weird but it works. But look at the makeup, look how it's set, like perfect. So if you want to know how I get this look, then keep on watching. So first off, we're gonna put on some moisturizer. So I used a simple moisturizer. Next, I get some translucent powder, put this all over my face as well. Now I use some setting spray, and I use this one from MAC. Let this dry, and then I use my primer from MUA Makeup Academy. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I get back to you. So eyebrows did. What's next? It's my foundation. So I'm gonna use the Fit Me foundation in the shade 220. This is a miracle. And then now I'm getting the concealer from MAC. Just add a tiny bit. That's more than enough. And then using the beauty blender, just blend this out. We're going to take the banana powder by Revolution. As we leave that to bake, we are going to use the Revolution. I really like Revolution, don't I? I'm going to take the Revolution palette and start to contour. Now we'll be wiping it off. I'm going to use this highlighter from MAC, and using this same palette, I'm going to contour my nose, and then using this one, I highlight my nose. And then using this MAC palette, I'm going to start doing my eyeshadow. So using this one, this is my favourite one. Just start off at the crease. And then I'm going to use this one. And then just go, I actually might go a bit darker with this. I'm going to add on another layer on the crease. And then I might add a tad of this colour, black, but only a little bit at first. I don't want it to be harsh right now. I'm gonna get some eyeliner. Next I use Duro Glue, and I get my lashes and stick some glue on them till it's all evenly spread. Whilst that is drying up, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes with this eyelash curler. And then using NYX lip liner and outline my lips. And then this NYX matte lipstick. And then my lashes should be ready to put on. So this is the makeup done. I'm going to move on to my hair now. So because I braided my hair, which I did a tutorial on, I'll probably put it in the link below. The ends are straight, so I'm going to curl it with a curler by Hair Styler, and it gives like them baby curls, but I don't want to have my hair curly and then straight at the end. That's why I curl the ends. So obviously protect it with heat spray or whatnot, and then once it's hot enough, I get one strand and I literally just curl it. Leave it for 5 to 10 seconds depending on your hair, how much hair you've got. Now once I've successfully curled the bottom of my hair, I can be ready to take it out. So now I just run my fingers through my hair. These are my curls. I might style it a bit later. Let me just put on a top so y'all can see which hairstyle I'm gonna choose, whether I'm gonna leave it down here or up. We'll see. Hey guys, so I put this new cute little top on and I feel like I want to put my hair up. What am I gonna do with my hair? Get a hairbrush and just try to slick it back. I tied it up, or half up, half down with two little cute things at the front, and I'm literally just gonna tie my hair up. So this is my GLOWATINE look. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment, share and subscribe. Make sure you press that bell to be notified when I drop a new video. And yeah, hope you guys are staying safe. See you guys in the next video.